Hi traders, this is American Dollar Index, and also we'll talk about Euro, about Great Britain Pound and Japanese Yen. So in this video there are three instruments that you should pay attention to. For American Dollar Index, in my Telegram channel I showed you the technical support, which is around 109 area. Technically 109 area is the second Fibonacci extension level. So it was evident that under 110.80 price will go down to 109 area. Right now they didn't reach the support. It means that American Dollar Index is still in downtrend, and if they break this support 109, they will go down to 107.50 area. Technically, there is no reason to buy American Dollar Index right now. It means that there is no reason to sell Euro Dollar or to sell Great Britain Pound and to buy United States Dollar with Japanese Yen. We need to wait until market shows us situation over here. It is important to see that market gives us rebound, but still it looks like downtrend. It's a correction. Every long position from here is not safe. It means that on weekly chart they're going down to test 108.70 area, 109 area. They are going to test it. So if they give a rebound, we can wait that market stays in a little range. But if they break the support, your first target goes to 107.50, but generally they'll go to 105 area. Because I measured this upgoing tendency since 2020, this upgoing tendency, and the correction line 111, that was the first correction line. The second one goes down to 108.70, but if they break the support, they will go over here to 105 area. Fibonacci levels gives us this information. But to trade, to get easier trading signal, I go on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, and I put the Fibonacci extension, and that's how I get this 1111, 108, 109, and 107.50, and so on. So the red lines are for trading on 4-hour chart and on 1-hour chart, but the purple lines are general correction for the market on daily chart and weekly chart since 2020. And also it is important to follow the 200 moving average. On 1-hour chart they broke 200 moving average, on 4-hour chart they broke 200 moving average. So on daily chart 200 moving average is over here right now. And if market goes to a range, it means that in some day, after bad news, they will reach this 200 moving average like in one day. Okay, so for trading now you know the support area, which is over here, 109, 108.70, so this area, and the resistance area. For Euro Dollar, first resistance area is around 1.01, but the second one goes up to 1.0250. I also made Fibonacci extension for Euro Dollar, the support area, resistance, support. They broke the area 0.9920. After they broke this level of resistance, your next target goes up to 101, and they did reach this level of resistance. It means that next target after they break the 101 is 102, because this is the Fibonacci extension level. If we take the Fibonacci levels since 2020, this downgoing tendency, 102.50 also is important area for the market. So I wouldn't sell Euro right now, because if they break 101, they will go 150 pips more. You got to be aware of that. For Euro Dollar intraday on 15-minute chart, what you can do, you can follow the general tendency, which is upgoing tendency. And as far as market is above 200 moving average, which is the red one, I always put this red huge line as a 200 moving average, so I see it, because this is a good tendency line. And as far as market is above 200 moving average, You can follow stochastic oscillator signals intraday, as I taught you before, and follow the general target on 4-hour chart, which is 101 and 102.50. But right now there is no sell signal. Even if they give you a little correction, it does not mean that market gives you a rebound and turns down. Right now it doesn't work like that. If you check the channel, which is upgoing channel, they even didn't reach the resistance area over here. So they still will go higher and higher. And your target goes up to 102.50. Not today, maybe not tomorrow. I don't know the date, but I'm telling you the technical target. Entry point for you is from 200 moving average on 15-minute chart, on 5-minute chart, together with the stochastic oscillator signal. I hope it will work for you. For Great Britain pound, this is general picture that I work with. And right now, this is the first Fibonacci extension target, which is 116.30, and price is being near the resistance area. So they reach the middle part of upgoing tendency, and this is the upgoing channel. This is the red lines, and the blue one is the middle part. So we can say that above 116.40, price will go up to 120.50. Above 116.40, price will go up to 120.50. But they need to break this area. There is no sell signal right now. Yes, they may give you a little correction, but right now it does not look like a sell signal. They're still in upgoing tendency. If you check this intraday situation, they are still in upgoing tendency. If you check 30-minute chart, they're too far from 200 moving average. If you check 15-minute chart, they're too far from 200 moving average. If you check 5-minute chart, they are testing. Really soon they will test 200 moving average. But even if they break it, this may give you a signal to trade only intraday from like 160 to 115.50. That's it, only intraday. Follow the 200 moving average for trading inside, and please remember that my general idea that above this area they will reach 120, 120.50. And I think I promised you the Japanese yen, so let's talk about the Japanese yen. Well, okay, on monthly chart, I told you that our target goes up to 153, and it's still like that. So the 153 area is an important level of resistance, but it does not mean that we have to do something with this. This is an important level of resistance that may be a rebound area in a month or 2 months, but not right now. On monthly chart, there is no sell signal. On weekly chart, it is a good sell signal, because I know this candlestick signal and Harami, it says Harami. So, and this is a strong one. It means that United States dollar with Japanese yen on weekly chart have a good sell signal. We may try to move the 0 point from the start in 2020 to current data. We may move this 0 point and try to wait that they test 144.80. But it's not something that will happen for 100%. It's still a good level of support for us. Okay, I changed. Let me give back this. Yes, here is this level of support, which is 144.80, and until price is above this area, this is just a breeze of a market, but this is not a sell signal. On daily chart, also, this is a correction which may stay over here, and since then they will start to go up. So for euro dollar, there are more to go. For Great Britain pound, there is more to go. For United States dollar with Japanese yen, you also see that right now is a good support, because I use the Shimoku cloud. So over here it's a good support, but over here one more support. After they break, attention, after they break 146 area, they will go to 144.80. Under 146, they will go to 144 area. So on 4-hour chart, they may spin around the 200 moving average, like test it, break it, go back. And I hope you understand how to trade it. I hope, because I told you the good levels, and I hope it will work for you. And I still don't say that this is a sell signal right now. No, it's not. Yes, we have kind of sell signal on a weekly chart, but the tendency hasn't changed yet. And after you saw this kind of upgoing tendency for 2 years, it won't be too easy for them to just turn around. And also, taking into account the current political situation, I wouldn't say that it's an easy situation for the market, and people who trade should try to reach a little bit higher levels. And the level of resistance, 153, is something that you have to remember. I hope it will help you to work, guys. So intraday for this instrument, under 146, you may try to sell to 144.80 area. I wish you profits. See you, bye.